everyone. Welcome back to our channel, The Bong Voyagers. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed. We have crossed 100 subscribers now. Miles to go, but we're definitely going to be happy about this small achievements, and it is become possible because of you only. So thank you once again. Onek onek dhonobad. Um, so today I was just checking Nykaa for some products that I need for my daily use, and then I came to know, strange that I did not know, that today is National Lipstick Day. I mean, lipstick is my best friend, honestly, and I can say that gone are the days when diamonds used to be a woman's best friend. I think nowadays women are crazy about lipstick. So uh, I personally am one such person who just can't live without lipstick. So I don't get to do a lot of makeup, and I don't get to use a lot of products on my skin. One, because my skin is very sensitive, and secondly, because I'm very lazy, and thirdly, because I don't have time. So I do get to see a lot of YouTube videos wherein makeup vloggers and bloggers, they do makeup, everyday makeup, smoky eyes, evening look. There's that, and those are very interesting. I really like them, but I really don't get to do all this because most of the time I'm struggling. I'm always in a hurry, have to go to office, come back, work. So the days are really very busy. But one thing I don't leave home without is a lipstick. So here today, 29 July 2020, on World Lipstick Day, me, Shainki, am presenting before you my lipstick collection. So as you can see, this is my current lipstick collection. So I have 37. I have 37 here, but I'm sure I have 20 more at home. It is not possible to actually show all the colors, but I'm definitely going to recommend the top 5 colors which I completely love. So, and as I said earlier, there are very good discounts going on across Nykaa, Shoppers Stop, all major websites. Buy one, get one, free lipstick and free offers. So, do check out whatever is your favorite out of this, and to recommend what I can buy, because I'm surely going to increase my collection from 37, right? So let's see which are the top 5 according to me. Um, one of the greatest admirers and lovers of lipstick. So this is the first one. This is any guesses? Ruby Woo, of course. This is MAC Ruby Woo. I think the best color which flatters the any woman's lip. So I just wear, and I'll show why this is actually my favorite color. So the modern woman that I am, I don't have a professional makeup blogger would wear a lip liner and everything before putting on the lipstick. But as you can see, as I've already told you, I'm a lazy woman and I don't have time to do all that. So all I do is just put on a lipstick and just go out. So this is Ruby Woo. I'll give another coat. That's it. This is the color, and you will now understand why this is my love, my first and last love. See, I have not worn anything on my face, not any kajal, no accessories, not even a cream, a moisturizer, anything. The only makeup I'm wearing right now is this Ruby Woo, and in a matter of second, it just changes your look. So it makes you look so bright, such a vibrant color. I repeat, this is MAC Cosmetics Ruby Woo. I bought it from Nykaa. That price was around 1650. Just check. I think it remains the same. But as I said, there are good offers going on, so try and catch this. Let's move on to the next lipstick. I'll quickly come back after wiping this off so that I can show you the next color. So this is my second recommendation. It is from Faces Canada, and the name is Hot Wired. It is their Starry Matte collection. It is a little shimmer, unlike Ruby Woo, which is completely matte. This is a little shimmery. So if you love to wear shimmer colors, especially on that party evening or night out, I think this is a very good recommendation. Let's see how this looks on me. Yep, that's it. A little bit of color and everything completely brightens up, becomes colorful. And if you put on a good lipstick, actually it enhances your mood as well, which is why some people say on a bad day there is always lipstick. So this is Faces Canada. As I said, the name is Starry Night. It's a Starry Matte collection, and the name is Hot Wire, and it has a little shimmer. I don't know if you can understand. It's a fuchsia color, dark pink fuchsia color, which it complements any kind of complexion. It completely look good, and the texture is also very good. It glides on very smoothly. So I'm a very big fan of Faces Canada, Lip Crayon collections. So this was my second recommendation. Let's move on to my third. So this is the third recommendation out of all of these. This is also from Faces Canada. So if you see this collection, I think I have most from MAC. I really love MAC, but Faces Canada, this particular range is my favorite. So this is another one from the same range. And this Ultimate Pro Faces Canada Lip Crayon name is Let's Coffee. The name is very interesting, Let's Coffee. And as you can see, this is a dark brown color. So it's always safe to go with reds and pinks. Most people buy that, but I really love to experiment with the lip colors, especially because I get bored with reds and pinks. So brown, purples, oranges, I try different colors, and out of everything that I've tried, I really love this color. And also it goes with a lot of colors. So it goes with formal wear, informal wear. So I'll show you how this looks on my skin. Yep, that's it. So this is Let's Coffee for you guys, and it's again a very very pretty color. I just love it. It's a beautiful brown, little dark, but again very smooth, very easy to wear. So must buy. So you people have understood already that I love dark colors more than the light ones, but definitely I'm also very fond of nude colors. So I think one of the best nude colors which I have recently tried is this one. This is again from MAC, and this is their Powder Kiss lipstick collection, and the name is Stay Curious. It is Stay Curious from MAC Powder Kiss lipstick collection. You can check out Nykaa for the current prices. I got it a few days back, and it was also around the same range, 1650. So this is perfect for day wear. I usually put it up in the daytime. Yep. So I really love this texture as well. It is very very smooth to kind of wear, and it is not dark. It's a beautiful nude collection. If you're fond of nudes, if you're fond of pinks and peaches, I think You will love this color, so give it a try, especially now that lots of discounts are going on. So out of the top 5 that I would recommend, this was the only light nude color. And let's move on quickly to the last one. And that would be this. The name of this lipstick is Carnivorous. It is from MAC liquid lipstick collection. I do have a couple of liquids like this one. So liquid lipsticks are good actually. They are in now, and especially nowadays, if you have to wear a mask, I think if you buy a long wear liquid lipstick, it won't really get removed because of the mask. So highly recommended now. This is a wine color. I have a couple of wine colors at the same time. So this is called Carnivorous. I have another one called Maxine. All of them are very nice. But since I've already shown one from the MAC Retro Matte collection, I am going to show you this one, which is the liquid collection. So you can then choose whether you like matte more or liquid more. It's completely your choice, right? So let's see how this looks on me. So this is MAC liquid color, and the name is Carnivorous. It's a dark wine color. If you don't like liquid lipsticks, but you want a similar color, wine, maroon, you can go for Maxin, S-I-N. That's also almost similar, a little darker, I would say. So that's it. I mean, these are the top 5. I really wanted to show all of these, but time won't permit me to show all these lipsticks. But let me know out of these which are your favorite. If you have any favorite collection that you want to share with me and you want me to buy, because I'm really looking for recommendations to buy. I just can't let this offer go away. Do let me know in the comment section your favorite lipstick, your suggestions about me, how you like this video. And if you really like this, then please do subscribe to our channel, The Bong Voyagers. Please do share this video, and spread some love, and stay happy, stay well.